When I started working at US Plastic almost 20 years ago, I wasn't pursuing a career in manufacturing. I just knew I wanted to work for a company that shared my ideas and Christian values. I grew up in a large Christian family, and our beliefs and faith in God mean a lot to us. Starting with an entry-level position, God directed my journey through many departments of US Plastic to prepare me for my current role as manufacturing director of Tamco Industries, where we create tanks, drums, trays, and many other industrial products. Being the manufacturing director of Tamco Industries is an honor, not just because I get to be one of the limited number of women in the manufacturing industry, but mostly because of the story behind our company. Tamco Industries is a division of US Plastic, named after our founder, Stanley Tam. Mr. Tam made the decision to give his company over to God. And because of that decision, US Plastic gives 100% of its profits towards the support of Christian missions around the world. US Plastic, quality products, and eternal difference.